a lot of people are beginning to suffer negative financial consequences. Suggestions on how we can thrive in prosperity and abundance during this time?
See, continuing to realize that the nature of the universe is abundance and prosperity. There is a universal law that governs that, and in any situation, one can align with that law. The first step in alignment is in continuously looking inward for internal resources that you have not known to be available before to you, and in offering those resources to others, in connecting with influential people that have money and power, and guiding them, asking to, ideally for those that are mentors and coaches, finding influential people within the society that you can guide and asking for a monetary return as they need your guidance presently, and continuing to realize that and affirm that you will always be provided for as you focus on love, your own abundance, your own value, and doing your best to be aligned every day.